morning. Today is day 7 of the 30-day execution project. We're on day 7. This is our second day on the funded account. And, well, as you guys can see here, we got a winning day today, once again. So I'm going to be showing you guys how and why we took this trade. So, as we always do, mark out the low and the highs of previous sessions, and those will be levels that we want to watch out for. So we do that on NQ and on ES. We did it on ES as well. And so here we waited for price to do its thing. Here we had a break with a lot of high volume here, but usually when we have wicks like that kind of go out of the zone, or in anywhere in the charts, when you have this huge wick, usually it means price is rejecting a certain area there, and so even on volume delta, look, we've shown that we had a negative volume delta. So that means that the next candle will quite possibly go towards the downside, and we were correct. And I was going to be looking for the longs in that situation, because at that point we had broken London high, but because we rejected it so well, I decided not to go for the longs. Then afterwards we have this beautiful candle here that went towards the downside and broke the orb, also broke this area as well, and VWAP. So we had a lot of confirmation here. We did the same thing here. We even broke through Asia low, and we had a quite a positive volume delta candle compared to the to the volume and the candle that we had here. So I decided to play the shorts. We waited for price to come up a little bit, and then we entered the shorts. I had my risk right here at pre-market high, and I had my take profit at 50 points like I usually do, and so we got it. It played perfectly. Yes, price came back a little bit and then went back down, but at the end our bias was right. We even tapped into VWAP and rejected it, and we got a banger. So that means that we need 3 more winning days on the funded to be eligible for a payout, which is super good. Now we have 2 more days to the week, and so we're going to be looking at getting that payout by next week for sure. So yeah, so that was my A+ setup, and this is the thing, guys. I mean, when you wait and you're patient, the A+ setups will show up. Like I could have easily entered off of here if I wanted to, or if I felt like it. Well, actually, if I look back to when I was beginning, right when I was beginning, I probably would have taken this as a very high volume candle, and I would have waited for price to go all the way down here, or go back into the zone and for it to rip up, and I would have been impatient. I would have been just like, okay, I want to just jump into a trade. I want to trade. But if we wouldn't have gotten an A+ setup today, I wouldn't have traded. And you guys seen that. You've seen that in the Friday video, for example, which was day 4. Day 4, we didn't trade, right? We didn't trade because there was no A+ setup, and I don't like to trade when there's no A+ setup. And that basically means, if you are trading when there's no A+ setup, then you're not following your rules, right? And you're not patient, and you're not disciplined. So, and so we waited. We got the move that we wanted. Look at that initial move, nice volume and volume delta on that move down to take our take profit. And I probably even, honestly, I could have gone all the way down here, but it was very tight here on ES, so I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go with my 50 points as usual, and I was correct. I was right on the bat. But even though, like, let's say if I would have targeted all the way down to 70, I probably would have brought my stop all the way to like around 50 here. as it kept going down, and if it didn't, well, as we see here, it didn't. But we got the nice 50 points, and that is actually three winning days in a row after that loss we had on Thursday and the no trading day we had on Friday. So pretty positive. And yeah, like I said, guys, A+ setups only, right? And that's it for today. I will be posting this now, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.